Hey everyone, so this is going to be very similar to my completing the square video. So I'm just going to put a visual element into it. So we're going to be doing question 1. I'm going to teach you how to complete the square, and then you can apply this method to, any question where you're going to be asked to complete the square. I believe this is kind of A-level sort of level, so like 17, 18, what if you're watching in a different country. I don't know if you do this for GCSE, but yeah, so let's get into how to complete the square. Right, so question number 1, we have x squared plus 6x plus 7. What you're going to want to do is focus on this part in red. So you see the little bit in brackets, that's the red part. That's the only part you're going to complete the square with, basically, okay? So we're going to be working with the x squared plus 6x. So focusing on that, what you're going to want to do is take the x squared plus 6x, and then the x squared becomes an x, okay? And then whether it's 6 plus 6x minus 2x, whatever, you take half of that and you keep the same symbol. So for example, we have plus 6x. So we do plus 3 because it's a plus, and we do half of it, okay? So we take the 6, divide it by 2, okay? So it's going to be x plus 3, and then we're going to put it in a new bracket, all squared, okay? So you take the x squared becomes an x, you take the 6x, and whether it's 3x, whatever it is, you halve it and you keep the plus or minus symbol the same, okay? Next thing you're going to want to do is subtract the number in the bracket, so the new number you've created, squared. So it doesn't matter if it's a minus or a plus, because you're going to square it and then subtract it, okay? So we're going to get x plus 3 squared minus 3 squared, okay? And then we have the plus 7, so we keep the 7, okay? Only messing with that part in the red, okay? Now from here, I'm just going to times out the 3 squared. So we've got x plus 3 squared minus 9 plus 7. And then from there, you can just do minus 9 plus 7, which is minus 2. So you got x plus 3 squared, okay? Minus 2. So that's literally it. That's how you complete the square, and you can, just keep it in this form. If you want, you can pause the video and give question number 2 a go. Give it an attempt, give it a go. It's up to you. You don't have to. I'm going to run through it in a sec anyway. So question number 2, we have x squared minus 4x plus 5, okay? So we're going to do the same technique. We're going to be working with that first part. So we're going to be working with the x squared minus 4x. So imagine visualizing that. I haven't put the brackets in, but yeah, you can just visualize it. So we want to take the x squared, that becomes an x. We can see there's a minus, so put the minus in there. And the 4x, we halve it and get rid of the x. So it's just going to become minus 2. So it's going to be x minus 2, okay? So there is quite like an easy or obvious pattern there. And once you start seeing it, it's going to become a lot more natural and easy. So we've got x minus 2 squared, and then we subtract the new number squared. So we're subtracting the minus 2 squared, okay? Then we got the plus 5, which is cool. And then on the next line, I've just times out the minus 2 squared. Obviously, minus times a minus is a plus, if you didn't know that for whatever reason. So you got x minus 2 all squared minus 4 plus 5. And that is going to equal x minus 2 all squared plus 1. Because you are, adding minus 4 and 5. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully it was clear. Let me know if I didn't run through it enough, or if you have questions or anything like that. Cool. I think that's good. Yeah, the lighting and stuff, the setup, I'm trying a new thing. So who knows? We'll try to fix it at some point. Yeah, thanks for watching. Best of luck with your maths. And yeah, peace out, yeah.